I hit that productivity plateau hard. DMs piling up, tabs breeding like rabbits, deadlines slipping through the cracks. I tried every app under the sun. Planners, to-do lists, timers, great in isolation, chaotic together. The real problem? The system starts managing me. I spend more time organizing work than doing it. So I built a personalized AI-powered productivity dashboard. One home base, one brain, my work, my notes, my deadlines, all speaking the same language. Quick tour. On the left, smart task prioritization. It pulls my calendar, emails, Notion pages, then ranks tasks by impact, effort, and urgency. In the center, an AI composer for writing. Let me show you a typical flow. I start with the daily brief. What's the one task that moves the needle? It suggests drafting a partner email, gives me bullet points from last week's meeting notes, and surfaces the exact attachment they asked for. I type, draft a friendly follow-up proposing Tuesday at 10 a.m., keep it concise. It writes in my voice. I tweak one line, hit send, 90 seconds. Next, planning a project. I ask, map out a content sprint for the next 2 weeks. It builds a timeline, assigns me deep work blocks, flags a potential clash with a dentist appointment, and proposes a backup slot. The kicker? It auto-generates checklist templates I actually use. Personal win. 2 months ago I was drowning in context switching, video script, client deck, email backlog. I fed the dashboard my goals and constraints. 2 hours deep work, no email after 6 p.m., 3 high-impact tasks a day. Within a week, focus time jumped 37%, and I shipped a script 2 days early without a late-night push. If you're building your own, think principles, not apps. Centralize inputs, calendar, tasks, notes. Teach your AI your tone and priorities. Give it examples. Automate decisions, not just actions. What should I do next, and why? Keep feedback tight. A daily retro so the system learns. Integrate lightly. Start with one high-friction area and expand. Here's the takeaway. An AI-powered dashboard doesn't replace you. It removes the busy work so your best work shows up. If you felt stuck, this is the unlock. Drop your favorite productivity hacks or AI tools in the comments. I'm testing the best ones for a follow-up. And if you want a build guide, say the word. Here's to less juggling, more shipping, and hitting the goals that actually matter.